Hi friend, Marian here. Let's study God's Word. So, let's study yung daily hope ni Pastor Rick Warren. So, fan the flame of romance by paying attention. Paying attention na medyo controversial topic. So, sabi niya, yung Bible verse natin is from James verse 1:19. Chapter 1 verse 19. Be quick to listen, slow to speak, and slow to become angry. So sabi nga, good marriages don't just happen. Marriage is what we make it. So very true naman po, di ba? Hindi porket kinasal na tayo is miracle na magkakaroon tayo ng good relationship, everyday blessing. So we have to work for it. Kahit anong bagay naman, we have to work for it. So how to pay attention? How do we pay attention? So parang sinasabi is, fan the flame of romance by paying attention. When you give someone your attention and focus, you give piece of yourself. So ano ba yan? Flowers, we brought flowers, writing of notes, talk for hours, spend free time together. So maraming maraming way of giving attention to the people that we love. So sometimes our attention shifted. So as the years goes by, after getting married, nasi-shift yung attention natin. We pay the bills, we have kids growing up, we have pursuing hobbies, and we are also building careers. So parang everyday, there are everyday challenges na yung focus natin to these things that we are asked to do. Parang to-do list natin over our spouse, diba? So parang sinasabi nga, start listening again today. So let's pay attention to the people that we love, especially our spouse. Showing love, bringing back forward attention, or bringing back focus attention. Show care by staying aware. So, yung giving attention or giving focus is more than just the giving of flowers or listening. So, yung us being there. Kasi, pag nag-listen tayo is, sabi nga ni Gary Smalley, yung drive-thru listening. Ano ba yung drive-thru listening? Di ba? When the fast food crew takes our order sa drive-thru, nire-repeat niya. Like, one cheeseburger, one bucket chicken. So, ma'am, you ordered one cheeseburger, one bucket chicken. Inuulit niya, no? So, parang sinasabi, that's one strategy also of communication. Kasi, dun mo natatest na nakikinig yung kausap mo pag inuulit niya yung sinasabi mo. Friend, ginagawa mo ba yan? So, yung question sa atin today or challenge is, yun nga, start listening again today. So, yung ears natin, diba? Open our ears. What are some ways to show attention before? So, minsan kasi through the years, dahil sa haba ng panahon that we are together, there are some practices siguro na hindi na natin nagawa. So, let's do it again. Praising or asking our spouse how he is doing or how is they at the office, ano ba yung challenges today sa office, what are the good wins of the day. No? How can you apply the Bible verse in your marriage today? Yung be quick to listen, slow to speak, and slow to become angry. What one change can you show of your focus attention to your spouse? So, ayan yung challenge natin. Ano yung way ngayon na we can do na hindi natin siguro ginagawa before or ginagawa natin before but di natin, that we have to do it again para lang to fan the flame nga of romance. Stay safe, everyone. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.